Here we have a Honda Odyssey. I don't know what year, but apparently it keeps dying. Ooh, that was a weak start. Here's my setup, because that's how I have to film it, because the battery is underneath this little air inlet. But you're at 12.2. I'm gonna go start it. You're gonna watch to see what happens. As you can tell, nothing is happening. You can't really see it, but nothing on the internal of that alternator is moving. So I'm gonna find the fuse, I'm gonna check the fuse, but it's time to replace the alternator. Use this 10mm to get rid of this. This is just a little bracket that holds it. Slide this up. Okay, so I don't actually have to remove this bracket, so just get this up. I'll come in here and take off these hose. Get his oven out of the way, and then I'm just gonna pinch that hose off. Okay. Fold that back as far as it'll go. That frees up a lot of room right there. There we go. It's a 14mm. There we go. Got the fan off, or the belt off, sorry. Not the fan off. So the bolt beneath the bracket, neck underneath here, it's a 14 millimeter. That's the top bolt for the alternator. All right, so the top one is 12. The bottom one is way down here, and that's a 14 millimeter. Or so it says. We'll see. It's not the first time you read it and you're like, hey, 14, and it's not. Now I do the same thing with the engine coolant reservoir. It's the same thing. Come down here. It's a black bracket. Just do that. Lift up. Oh, you'll never be able to see it, but down there is a clip holding this metal bracket on, leading to the rubber hose. Peel that off, and let's break out the alternator. So I needed 2 hands to pry it out, so you got to get out of my way, but it is free. Get it up around this low pressure cooling line. See, if you had somebody over here holding this, you could pull it right straight up. Ah, I don't have another person, and it's really heavy. See, it's really easy to get out. So looking at the old and new one, new one's from FVP. You know, I'm not really familiar with the brand. I know I've been using them a lot lately. Great prices and lifetime warranty on everything so far. Haven't had any come back, so let's hope that stays going. So really everything matches. We're gonna take a 6 millimeter Allen and just get this off, which I already broke that loose. All right, here goes nothing now. Same way we took it out, we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. Straight down, this is the top. So much easier if you take out that 10 millimeter bolt holding that low pressure line. Don't do it like I did and put it in upside down. a lot easier if you just put it in the right way the first time. I'm trying to spin this bad boy around because it's very hard to do. Okay. Slides back in that bracket. Okay, it's in there nice and tight. Two of those plastic push pins, one inside the air, one on the right side over here. Now, like before, let's get the multimeter out. You guys can see that. Yep. Make sure we're at 0 and we're at 0. All right, this can just sit here like so. All right, we're at 12.5, which makes sense because I had the 12.5, which makes sense because I had the thing on. So we're gonna go ahead and start it, see if it's charging. There we have it. 13.8 and it's bouncing to 14, which is what we want to see. I can't get a good contact because, like I said, it's up and under this air box. let it run for a while, rechecked everything again. So got everything nice and hot. Rechecked the voltage, same thing. So good to go now. Hope this video helps. If you can, please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to subscribe at least. If not, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time.